In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm out here on the grass, where the pavement never grows. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my old friend, she'll be rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engine roar, silver wing on high. She's away at westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I may be. Can't jump a jet plane like I can a freight train, yeah, yeah. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way